Tips and tricks to affiliate marketing success. Finding your way through the world of affiliate marketing and achieving success is within your reach, given the right information. The following video is designed to give you some very valuable advice, in pointing you in the right direction for the affiliate marketing goals that you may be thinking about or have already set for yourself. To maintain a sterling reputation, it's important that you only enter affiliate marketing programs with affiliates you can stand behind. Evaluate your potential affiliates carefully and avoid any that you cannot support with full enthusiasm. Visitors to your website will use your choice of affiliates to inform their opinion of you, so whatever you do, avoid connecting your visitors to shady dealers and scam artists. Review the reputation of the affiliate program you want to work with. Unfortunately, the world is filled with people running scams. There are affiliate programs out there that will avoid paying out commissions you've earned. They will close up shop and open up under another name. Work with companies that have a reputation for fairness. Although advertising one's products on the internet can be a convenient way to reach a broad segment of the population, potential buyers can often be reluctant to buy a product that they won't be able to try on until it has arrived. For this reason, it is important to stress your liberal return policies. Hopefully, this video has given you the right words of wisdom and the right know-how to set forth on conquering your dreams of affiliate market success and financial security. In this day and age, the best economic move that anyone can make for themselves is one that is not dependent on traditional income avenues but one that blazes a trail through better and evolving opportunities. That is exactly what affiliate marketing is all about, so here's to your success in it. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.